If you're using OBS Studio on a low-end PC, you can improve performance by changing a few important settings. First, open OBS Studio and go to Settings. Click Video and reduce the output resolution if necessary. For a low-end computer, 1280 by 720 can be a good starting point. You can also set the FPS to 30 instead of 60 to reduce system load. Next, open the Output section and go to the Recording tab. If your computer has a supported hardware encoder, use it instead of putting all the encoding work on your CPU. For example, NVIDIA users can use NVENC, while supported AMD systems can use the AMD hardware encoder. Now go to the main OBS window and remove any sources you don't need. Multiple browser sources, animated overlays, filters, and high-resolution media can consume additional resources. You should also reduce the resolution of your webcam if your PC struggles while recording. A lower webcam resolution can significantly reduce the workload. Another useful step is to close unnecessary programs while using OBS Studio. Web browsers with many tabs, games, and other background applications can consume CPU and RAM. If you're recording gameplay, try running the game at a lower graphics setting and limit the frame rate if necessary. This can leave more resources available for OBS.